Oh.
Miss, your saree is really good. Thank you. In the class la first mark yaru? Shruti. All of you all keep quiet. This is class or fish market. In the class la best student yaru? Shruti. Best batch I have ever seen. Pin drop silence. In the class la best handwriting yaru? Shruti. Now வேணா important questions mark பண்ணி கொடுக்கட்டுமா? படிக்கிறதெல்லாம் important questions தான். Write fastly. இல்லனா paper